Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support that stands out is basically where the bottom portion of this pullback happened. And I'm splitting the difference here, and we'll just call it $4.55. I realize it didn't quite go that low on the pullback, but it also wasn't quite the resistance over here. And, you know, just foundational rule in charting, when resistances are broken, you want to see the MACD as support. Now, if you want to call it 450, fine, go for it. We're 5 cents off. I'm just going to call it 455 though. So that'll be that initial area of support. In the event the price cannot hold above that, next key level would be the bottom portion of that previous consolidation, and that makes it right down there at $4. So 455 and then 4 are going to be those two near-term levels of support. If, you know, somehow those levels do not hold, next key level to watch is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to that because keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So yeah, as far as, you know, saying and giving you a numerical value, that number will be changing as, you know, Monday unfolds. But, you know, I'm probably getting a little ahead of myself. I mean, given the price is still well up above 455. But like I said, in the event those two near-term levels don't hold, that purple line would be the next level of support. What about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, you probably know exactly where I'm headed with this. But right up here at about $5.20, you know, yeah, at one point the price broke below it, but after the price fell back, you know, below that area, just several times it tried again and could never quite do it. So that's certainly going to be that key battleground and key, you know, public enemy number 1 next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, crazy move today. I know I'll be watching it on Monday, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.